Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to start writing your journal on the Rootd application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the My Journey icon down below. Here at this page, select the journal section, tap on it. Now you should select a date to begin your journal entry. So select the relevant day, and now you need to answer these following questions. The first one is, how are you feeling today? You need to tap on the relevant icon in order to answer this question. If you are done with it, press the button down below to proceed with this journal entry. Now you need to type in order to answer these following questions. If you are done with it, press the button down below. So now you are ready with your journal entry. You can keep track of these and go back to the previous ones by selecting a previous day. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.